Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with a VR. This video response is for Paper Confessions with Cara, and Cara is currently having a challenge. It's the 2026 Postcard Challenge, and she's asking for individuals to mail her postcards from their state or country they're from. Basically that's it. And you can also submit some extras, which I'll tell you about in a moment. So Cara has been like a really supportive subscriber. She is awesome. She promotes my channel whenever she can. She's super nice and sweet. Love her videos. And so if you haven't checked her out, go over and check her out. She's pretty awesome. And I want to say thank you, Cara, for all you've done over the years for helping me with my channel's growth by always mentioning me and talking about me. It always just makes me smile and makes me feel super special. So let me share with you what I'm sending her. I am sending her a postcard first. And this postcard is kind of special to me because this is one of my favorite places to visit in California. It's called Pacifica, California, and this is actually Rockaway Beach. This is a place that me and my husband found a couple of years ago, and we love it. And this photo I took last year just with my cell phone, and I sent it off to this place since didn't send it off, but online, I was able to create a postcard and they mailed it to me. And so I wanted it to be something special for Cara because this is something special to me. We will be heading to Pacifica this year, so I can't wait for that. So the postcard is pretty neat. You just upload your photograph and pick your postcard design. And then on the back, it looks just like a regular postcard. And I just put beautiful sunset at Rockaway Beach. So that's the postcard that I'm sharing with her. And then for extras, I'm sending her 2 stamps. And so I collect stamps, and I have ordered stamps for years from the stamp company called Mystic Stamps. And so I ordered a couple of stamps for her. First of all, I ordered this California stamp, and it's the California quail and the California poppy. Now, I'm pretty sure that the poppy is the state flower, but my husband said he didn't think that the quail was the state bird. I didn't look it up. I'm assuming the post office knows what it's talking about. He's lived here longer than I have, so he may know more than I do. So I'm sending her this stamp that I got from Mystic Stamp Company. And then a second stamp I'm sending her is one from Oklahoma, and that's where I'm born and raised. And I know our state bird is the sizzle tail flycatcher, and our state flower is the mistletoe. So I thought she would, find these interesting. She may not have seen a a stamp from Oklahoma, and I love that it's 20 cents. That was the one years ago that they issued for Oklahoma, and in California it's 20 cents too. I'm sure it was a series at that time. So check out her channel. Once again, her name is Cara. She's Paper Confessions with Cara. She has wonderful prizes. She has 4 prizes, 1 international. So her challenge ends on March the 1st. So you still have time. I'm super late, but I'm getting mine in the mail tomorrow. So once again, check her out. And if you do, check her out, let her know I sent you. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.